Tesla's full self-driving FSD is an advanced driver assistance system ADAS that aims for full autonomy, level 5. Currently, December 2025, it's in supervised beta, meaning it requires your active attention and isn't fully self-driving. FSD is available as a $99 a month subscription or a $9,999 one-time purchase. Availability varies by region, car model, Model 3, Y, and X, and software version. Always check your Tesla app and vehicle settings for the latest requirements. First, purchase the FSD subscription via the Tesla app or your car's touchscreen. Once subscribed, go to Controls, Autopilot, Full Self-Driving in your vehicle's display. Tap Engage while parked or stopped to turn it on. Ensure your seatbelt is fastened and mirrors are adjusted. FSD needs the latest Tesla software v2024.44 or higher and Autopilot v3 or the full self-driving computer. Begin your FSD experience in low-traffic areas to build confidence and understand how the system responds in simpler driving conditions. This helps you learn FSD's behavior without the added complexity of busy roads. Always monitor FSD closely as it operates. Keep your hands on the steering wheel at all times. FSD detects this through torque sensors and will alert you if it senses you're not engaged. Keep your eyes on the road to be aware of surroundings and ready to intervene. Stay alert and be prepared to take control of the vehicle immediately if needed. While FSD handles many driving tasks, it may encounter unexpected situations or edge cases where human judgment is required for safety. For beginners, consider activating chill mode in your vehicle's settings. This reduces the system's sensitivity, providing gentler acceleration and steering responses, making the FSD experience more comfortable as you adapt to autonomous driving. Customize FSD to your preferences through the touchscreen. You can adjust speed limits, enable or disable automatic lane changes, and set other parameters under the Autopilot section of your vehicle's controls to make the system work best for your driving style. FSD has several important limitations that every user should understand. First, FSD is not available everywhere. Due to safety concerns, it's restricted in regions like parts of the European Union, and availability varies by country and local regulations. Second, FSD is not truly full self-driving, as the name suggests. While it aims for higher autonomy levels, it currently operates between Level 2 and Level 3 according to SAE standards, and often reverts to Level 2 in complex or challenging driving situations. Third, real-world incidents have occurred, such as the 2023 crash in San Francisco, which highlight the critical need for active driver supervision. FSD requires hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and readiness to intervene at any moment. These limitations underscore that FSD is still in supervised beta phase and not fully autonomous. Always prioritize safety, follow local laws, and remember that the driver remains responsible for vehicle operation. Tesla's full self-driving system relies on a vision-based AI approach, utilizing 8 surround cameras to capture a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. These cameras work alongside ultrasonic sensors that detect nearby objects and powerful onboard computers that process all this information in real time. Through advanced neural networks, FSD analyzes the camera and sensor data in real time to make driving decisions. This AI system learns to recognize objects, predict movements, and execute maneuvers like lane changes and turns, effectively simulating experienced human driving behavior. Critical to FSD's operation are torque sensors embedded in the steering wheel that detect when your hands are gripping it. This ensures active driver supervision at all times. If the system detects no hands on the wheel for too long, it will issue visual and audible alerts and may automatically disengage if you don't respond. Safety is paramount in FSD, featuring automatic emergency braking to avoid collisions and advanced pedestrian detection capabilities. The system is designed to handle many driving scenarios, but always requires the driver to remain alert and ready to take control at any moment. For safe and effective use, beginners should start with short trips in familiar areas during clear weather. Heavy rain or poor visibility can reduce the effectiveness of the cameras and ultrasonic sensors, so it's best to avoid such conditions until you're more comfortable with the system. Safety is the top priority when using Tesla's full self-driving system. FSD includes advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking that can help prevent collisions in critical situations. The system also features pedestrian detection, which actively monitors for people crossing streets and can bring the vehicle to a stop when needed. However, FSD still requires active driver supervision. The system monitors that your hands remain on the wheel and your eyes stay on the road through advanced sensors. For best practices, start using FSD in low traffic areas and stick to highways or well-mapped roads. Avoid adverse weather conditions that can impair the cameras. And remember that consistent use helps the system learn from your driving patterns. Most importantly, remember that you are always responsible for the vehicle's operation. FSD is not perfect and can make mistakes, so stay alert and be prepared to intervene at any time. If FSD disengages, take control immediately. Common causes include unclear lane markings, construction zones, or adverse weather. Common causes include unclear lane markings, construction zones, or adverse weather. Check for software updates regularly, as Tesla pushes over-the-air updates to improve performance and address edge cases. Consult Tesla's support resources for troubleshooting. Tesla is continually improving FSD with AI-first approaches, using end-to-end neural networks to handle complex driving scenarios more effectively. This vision-based system relies on cameras and sensors, with ongoing updates making it smarter for urban environments and highway driving. Elon Musk project's Level 5 autonomy, where vehicles drive fully without human intervention, is coming soon, potentially by 2025, with future software versions. This represents a major milestone in autonomous driving technology. However, regulatory hurdles may cause delays, as governments worldwide are implementing stricter safety standards for autonomous vehicles. Different countries have varying approaches to autonomous vehicle laws, which can slow down widespread adoption. Expect stricter rules and data privacy concerns to emerge, as regulators focus on how autonomous systems handle user data and ensure ethical AI development. Connected vehicles collect vast amounts of data, raising important questions about privacy and security. Future versions may integrate with Tesla's Optimus robot, expanding mobility beyond just cars to humanoid assistants in various tasks. This evolution shows the progression from concept to development platform to the latest generation, hinting at broader AI applications. Stay informed about the latest developments and prioritize safety by following Tesla's guidelines and local regulations as FSD continues to evolve.